Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to ultimate guide to enhance your Facebook privacy. I will just tap on it, my Facebook app, and make sure you will have logged in, and you will just move in top right corner bottom option you will see. So in here you will just click on this settings and privacy. So again you will just tap on it, Meta account center. So you will just tap on it, this one, password and security feature. So when you just logged in, you will just make sure you just check your security issues by running checks across apps or devices. I will just tap on it. So if I just tap on it, my username, so you will be know that but right now I will be just on logged in. This is my device, which is iPhone 12, and my previous logins with another devices, you will see there are another phone, Android, and there are many. So you will just selected device to log out here easily. So this is the enhance your privacy on Facebook, and you will just go back and you will just check up your two-factor authentication. Make sure you will have turn it on, because when you just logged in and another device, and if someone's use your email or password, so it can't be logged in, because when he logged in, you will be just get a verification code via email or your phone number which you will have given, and this 6-digit verification code, when you just paste it, and then you will be able to logged in. So basically two-factor authentication is very secure for your Facebook privacy. So I will just go back, and the last is privacy checkup. I will just tap on it. So you will see this is how to keep your account secure. I will just tap on it, and make sure you will just all these three settings are green, and make sure you will just turn it on, login alerts, and your password is okay, and two-factor authentication is on. So you make sure you will just turn it on, these all threes. So in this way you will just have to enhance your Facebook privacy easily. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.